Hello friends, welcome to your channel Bro India Ka. You have been set up. You have been blamed for your weight loss resistance by the folk in the diet industry. You have been named as a lazy by workout addict in the fitness industry. And you have been shamed for your anxiety and exhaustion by pill pushing health professional. When the truth is the vast majority of the time, first, your inability to lose weight. Second, your low energy. Third, your poor night of sleep. Fourth, your brain fog. Fifth, your mood swings. Sixth, and so much else. They are caused by something that out of your control. The five hormonal block we have been looking at today. So I want you to make promise to yourself right now that you have going to stop thinking any of this is your fault and start feeling confident again, because the truth is you can win the fight against weight loss resistance and excess body fat, and I am going to show you exactly how to do it right now. You see, as Dr. Wood explained, even those even though these five hormonal block can home out of nowhere and can stick around for years or even decades, it does not have to be this way. In fact, addressing all five of these hormonal blocks can actually be very simple. You just need to take proven scientific researches that too many in mainstream wellness are ignoring. Apply to each of the hormonal block you are facing simultaneously, and once you do this, you will find it shockingly easy to optimize hormonal health while reduce the biggest block to your weight loss and in one fell swoop. So let's go ahead and reflect through each of the hormonal fix that Dr. Wood showed me. Then after we are done, I will share the easy trick Dr. Wood showed me. Something that made it simple to apply all five of these fixes at once, and I have got to say that once started using this trick, it was like the floodgates burst wide open and the just fat just came pouring off. Sound good? Okay, then here we go. Hormonal fix 1, your thyroid. As you will remember, when your thyroid is not producing enough of its two main hormones T3 and T4, then these hormones can't regulate your metabolism like they should, and fat storage, brain fog and fatigue can occur. So what the fix here? Well, as Dr. Wood explained, you simply need to get your thyroid gland to produce more T3 and T4 hormones. Then make sure these hormones get released into your bloodstream. That way they are able to control your metabolism. And the fastest way to produce more T3 and T4 hormones is to get more iodine into your diet. Because as I mentioned earlier, your thyroid one function is to take iodine then convert it to T3 and T4. It sounds simple, but a recent study found that at least 2 billion people are deficient in iodine. And if your thyroid is not getting enough iodine, then how can it make enough of the T3 and T4 hormones needed to control your metabolism? It can't. Which is why Dr. Wood recommended supplementing your diet with iodine-rich kelp. In a major double-blind clinical trial published in the American College of the Endocrinology, it was found that short-term dietary supplementation with help significantly increase both basal and post-stimulation (TSH) thyroid hormones. In another major study that was published in the journal Clinical Pediatric Endocrinology, researchers found that when human subjects were given a daily supplement of kelp, it restored their thyroid function and normalized their UIC (urinary iodine concentration). And in yet another large study that was published in the journal Clinical Endocrinology out of Oxford, researchers found that supplementing with just a moderate dose of iodine with kelp extract improving the production of both T3 and T4. Dr. Wood also recommend adding more copper, iron, zinc, magnesium and selenium to your diet as well, because these essential minerals help transport T3 and T4 into your bloodstream. where they power your metabolism and your cells. For example, a 2016 study in the Journal of Environmental Health found that supplementing with these minerals led to higher levels of T3 and T4 in the bloodstream. While in 2014 study published in the Journal Biological Trace Element Research, it was found that thyroid simultaneously hormone were raised significantly in test subjects who were given a supplementary doses of copper, magnesium, and selenium and zinc. So this take care of the hormone block that happening in your thyroid, but we have still got 4 more places we need to get unstuck. So let's keep going and turn our attention to hormonal fix as 2 excess cortisol. As a quick reminder, ongoing stress can lead to an overproduction of hormone called cortisol, and when cortisol level remain high, it can lead to weakened metabolism, immune system, and even brain. So when it comes to addressing this hormone block, the only goal is to natural lower cortisol level. On way to do that is never become stressed, but that lot easier said than done. And if you are busy parent, have a thrive career, or really just live in the US in their year 2019, eliminating stress from your life completely just is not very realistic. This is what doctor would recommend: supplement your diet with Rhodiola rosea, which has been proven in numerous clinical trials to reduce stress, support normal cortisol production, and help the body burn fat. Rhodiola is a flowering plant that grows in the remote region of the Arctic, and in the major randomized double-blind and placebo-controlled study published in the journal Planta Medica, when researchers gave test subjects either 576 mg of Rhodiola extract of the placebo for 28 days, they found that while the placebo group showed zero improvement, the Rhodiola group had produced significantly less excess cortisol, even when they presented with stressful situation. Plus, they also showed less fatigue and better mental performance as well. Hormone fix has 3. Estrogen. As you will recall, having erratic estrogen level can lead weight gain. That's why Dr. Wood told me that I should consider supplement my diet with dindolomethine, or DIM for short. DIM is a natural compound that found the broccoli, cauliflower, and other vegetables. And in 2017, a study published in the journal Immunology and Immunotherapy, which is the largest human study of the effect of DIM of human ever undertaken. A team of 8 leading scientists found that DIM led to be favorable shift in estrogen metabolism, and concluding that this research led him to support the use of DIM as a dietary supplement. Hormone fix has 4. Insulin. When your insulin level are continuously elevated, it can lead to your body storing more and more of the nutrient you eat as fat, which is one of the many reasons we want to keep our insulin level in a normal healthy range. The good news here is that it is absolutely achievable, and there are a few approaches you can take. One approach is to reduce the amount of carbs, processed food, and refined sugar that you eat. Since there are 3 things that can spike your insulin level, doctor would absolutely recommend cutting back on those things as much as possible. Hormone fix has 5. Leptin. As you remember, leptin is a fullness hormone, and when you start putting on weight, which can help as a result of the 4 other hormone blocks we have discussed, your body begin to overproduce leptin. You think that would be a good thing, since leptin make you full. But when we produce too much leptin, our brain start to ignore leptin message. So instead of feeling fuller, we feel increasingly hungry and crave the wrong kind of food. Well, fortunately, doctor would let me know that getting leptin under control is easy too. Instead, take adding a single ingredient to your diet, and the African mango. Here are the entire list of ingredients Dr. Wooden shared me. For thyroid hormones, keep magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, magnesium. Plus, Dr. Wood also recommended adding in B12 and bladder work, another type of iodine-rich seaweed too. Number 2, for cortisol, Rhodiola rosea extract and red ginseng. Third, for estrogen, DIM. Number 4, for insulin, cinnamon. Number 5 for leptin, African mango. And now what? Now that you know all of this, it's lot like pouring water into a bucket that have 5 holes at the bottom. If you plug one of the holes, the water will drain a little bit slower, but it's still going to be all pure out. If you plug there of the holes, the water will drain slower still, but before long the bucket will be empty again. If you want the bucket to remain full, you have got to plug all 5 of hole at once. Well, it's the same thing here. Fixing one or even three of your hormone blocks, it can slow thing down a little bit, but if you really want to fix thing, you will be filled with energy and experience thriving fat burning metabolism. And for more detail and for product, you can check out my description. Thank you.